Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
The mint, though, it can overtake a lot of other plants. So I wouldn't mix it with a lot of other things. I like container gardening.
Yes, so we like doing
gardening.
We do raised bed gardens, like those Flower Street urban gardens. That's one of my favorite ways to grow your mint. It cascades down, stays in a contained space. You can grow a lot of it, and does amazing in those types of things. So absolutely true. And again, microclimate's very important. If you don't have a conducive microclimate for the thing you want to grow, and again, at agriscaping.com, we actually have charts that kind of break down where the best things grow based on microclimates. They're all classified. We have some good explanations on what each of those are, or join one of our classes to learn more about it. But it's a new and emerging science of how to grow food at home in suboptimal conditions and identifying the varieties that work best. You can get tomatoes all year round if you have them in the right microclimate with the right variety matched. You can also get strawberries year round here in Arizona if you have the right variety matched to the right microclimate. And so it's just understanding some of those principles. So it's expanding your knowledge, which will expand your options, which ironically helps improve your design of your landscape. I mean, we're all about elegant, edible landscaping, but to create elegance, it often requires creating patterns that can continue across areas that have different microclimates. Some parts in full shade, and then the other side of the house, you want symmetry on both sides of your house, and you want the same look on one side and the other. Well, one side's on one microclimate, the other's in a totally different microclimate. How do you get the trees and plants to actually look the same? A lot of times it comes down to you got to change your watering methods in that different microclimate or a totally different variety. And a good example would be strawberries. I mean, I got one variety of strawberries on one side, I got a totally different variety of strawberries on the other. Watering system a little bit augmented in order to accommodate, and now I've got even look on both sides. So little tricks makes it fun.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.